channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, I'm the Capxvino. Before I get straight into this video, make sure you like, subscribe and comment. It will really help me out with YouTube's algorithm, but also it will let you guys know when I upload new content and for you guys to see. So in today's video, I'm going to try and keep it short and sweet because I feel like all my other videos just go on and on and on and I just ramble so much rubbish. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Air Max Patta ones. I can't believe I got my hands on these. Literally love them so much. Like, as soon as I saw pictures circulating the internet, I was like, I need these quick time. Like, I just needed them. So before I start getting into the review and showing you guys the trainers, please can we just take a moment for the box? Like, have you ever seen a Nike box like this? No, you haven't. This is no ordinary plain Jane box. It literally stands for what Patta is. Obviously it says love for all. It says famila. Hopefully I'm saying it correctly. And then obviously we've got the Nike swoosh and the Nike logo. And obviously we have the Patta logo. As we open it up, it also says Team Patta. And also on the other side too, forgot to mention, it says Patta. Yeah, you get the gist, but yeah, the box, love it. Like, this is one of the other reasons to why I wanted these trainers, because of the box itself. But yeah, enough of me rambling on, let's just get straight into the review. So when you open up the box, obviously Patta is a black owned business, so power to the people. But yeah, Patta is a black owned business, so the fact that they use Black Lives Matter symbol on the tissue paper really gives it a really nice touch, but also it shows Patta for what it stands for basically, and I really think it's a nice touch to the tissue paper, but the shoe itself in general. So carrying on with this review, we have we have 4 main colours in the shoe. We have this burnt orange, we have grey, white, and then we also have this sail colour. The mudguard is in this burnt orange colour. So on the mudguard we have this silver embroidered Nike swoosh. I really feel like it gives a nice touch to the shoe. Then going forward with the toe box, the middle of the shoe and the top of the shoe, we have this silver mesh effect going on. It wouldn't be an Air Max 1 if no mesh was involved, so I love this whole concept of this silver eyelet mesh. It really makes the shoe stand out, but also connects the shoe really well together with all the other colours going on in the shoe. Moving up to the Nike swoosh, we then have this burnt orange swoosh as shown. Moving to the back of the shoe, we have the Nike Air logo, and then also the mudguard follows to the back. Then we also have the eyelet mesh also at the back of the shoe. Going forward to the front of the shoe, we have the Patta logo on the tongue of the shoe, as you can see there. And then also the laces are, I don't even know what colour these laces are. 1 second. So, the shoe comes with grey laces inside, but then you also receive a pair of sail colour shoelaces too. So if you want to switch it up, you can switch it up. Then moving on to the midsole of the shoe, we have this sail colour midsole. I absolutely love the sail colour. It just reminds me so much of the Jordan 4 sails. Still so depressed, still so freaking depressed that I didn't get them trainers, but one day I will get them. But yeah, for the time being, I would just wish that I had them in my dreams. But yeah, they are needed. Like, one day I will get them. Then going on to the sole of the shoe, Nike. I don't know what Nike are doing lately, but soles of their shoes are just looking amazing. Like, they're actually looking crazy. Yeah, going forward with this sole, we have like this wine, a burgundy colour at the bottom and the front of the sole. And then obviously we've got the burnt orange, and then we've got the sail. And then within the orange, we've got this square kind of pattern, and then we've got the grip on the sail part of the shoe. Going forward with sizing, I just feel like I need to mention these in videos because obviously some people just don't know what their sizing is in trainers. Like, if you call yourself a sneakerhead and you don't know your sizing in different trainers, then I don't know for you. Like, literally, I don't know for you. But yeah, Air Max ones, I feel like they come very true to size. To be honest, all my trainers actually are the same size. Like, I'm a 4.5 in majority of my trainers. Only sometimes I will be a 4, and sometimes I will be a 3, and sometimes I'll be a 5. Wait, who am I lying to? Like, my foot range is from 3 to 5. Like, what was I on about? 4.5? Nah. my foot ranges from a 3 to a 5. Don't ask me how, but it does. Like Jordan 1s, I'm a 4. Jordan 4s, I'm a 4. Designer trainers, I'm a 3. Yeah, my foot is just all over the place, basically, all over the place. But yeah, sizing, once again, it's true to size. So I picked these up in a 4.5. So generally, I would just get your normal sizing. The only thing that's changed on this Air Max is obviously the mudguard. Like the mudguard is all wavy, whereas a normal Air Max 1 is just simple and straight curve. But yeah, obviously a mudguard is not going to change the sizing of a shoe, so just go for your true size and you'll be good. These trainers also come with this little cute Patta pouch, and inside the Patta pouch you get this beautiful bracelet. You can either wear it, put it on the trainer, or just keep it as a little treasure. Just keep it as a little souvenir of the trainers. But yeah, this is what the bracelet looks like. I don't know how I'm going to show you guys this, but let's just show you guys. Is it gonna center? So yeah, this is what the bracelet looks like. Obviously you've got the flag going on, you've got a nice swoosh, and then you've got a little oval circle that says Patta. Hopefully you guys can see that, but yeah, that is what the trainers come with. But yeah guys, that is my quick little review of the Nike Air Max Patta 1s. I know it's pretty short, but I just said to myself before recording, I was like, I need to make sure that this review is cute, short, and straight to the point, because if you see my recent videos, hella long, like they're too long, they're just too long. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys got to know a bit more about the shoe. If you guys want to see more trainer content, I want to see the purchases that I pick up in the near future, please be sure to subscribe, like and comment. It would really mean so much to me. For you guys that have bought these trainers, let me know what you think about them in the comments. And also, if you're thinking about getting the next colorway that's coming out at the end of this month, I think it's the blue colorway, please let me know. I am trying to grab my hands on them too, just because why not? Another trainer to the collection, another colorway. Obviously they look pink, so yeah, I'm gonna try and get them. But if you're trying to get them too, please let me know in the comments. And if you already have the burnt orange ones, do let me know too. And yeah, I will be doing a styling video for these in the next few weeks. But yeah, until then guys, I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all have a great day. See you later.